Well, I've been pulled over and I don't know exactly why. Just driving. Baby, I'll call you in a bit, okay? Just go find parking. Okay, bye. Hello, officer. How are you?
Good. Microphone, camera, recording. Okay?
Yes.
Now the front plate for your car. That's why I told you.
Correct, sir. I got the car from Quebec. I'm still in process of getting the front bumper wrapped, and then I bought the underneath plate as well, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna grab it back here. Oh, it's actually right here. Oh, never mind. It's driver's license, and I'm just gonna go down there. The insurance, my driver's license, and the ownership, sir. Thank you.
It's pretty ironic, eh? You're more paper.
I know. I know. But you guys can't accept digital ones, I heard. That's why.
I don't know if that's a hard question.
Oh, okay. That's what the girl at the MTO told me. She's like, they don't even...
Ultimately, you need to have your documents.
Okay, yeah. Right.
So, I mean, kind of depends.
Right.
I'll give you an example. Ownerships like this.
Right.
A lot of times people have, they lease their car, they have photocopies.
Right. And that's not good.
You're supposed to have the actual thing.
Right.
Especially if you don't have the back information as well. Have their photocopy, not have this thing.
Right, right. Yeah, the car is a Montreal car, and I didn't even know actually Montreal didn't have front plates, but they don't.
Pretty much Ontario is one of the only places between the U.S. and Canada.
Yeah.
Not too many places require it too.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Ontario is
Yeah.
on the car in March.
Yes. So I had to get some stuff done to it first, and I have to order that and some other stuff I'm ordering it for it. Yeah.
How do you say your name?
Sonduren.
Sonduren?
Yes. Thank you. Well, he's nice, at least. So, yeah, it got me on the no front plate piece. I've been driving for 2 months without the front plate. I've been through so many different cops, and it's only in Toronto I get pulled over by the police for the no front plate piece. Oh man, everyone's probably looking at me like I'm a huge badass, like I must have ran from the cops. I just don't have a front plate. And you know what? I knew he was gonna ticket me, because I let him go through the intersection, but he was like, no, you go through the intersection, because he wanted to get behind me. That's what it was. I frickin' knew it. I knew it. I'm like, this cop is too nice right now. He's letting me go through the intersection when he stopped ahead. Yeah, no.
Hey, my friend, it's a warning, okay? Don't be alarmed. It's
All right.
Warning.
I really appreciate
it. You don't pay the fine, you don't do any of this. What it is on the record.
Right.
So just get it sorted out.
Right.
That's all there is to it.
Perfect.
Okay?
I really appreciate that, officer.
Coffee's being there.
Okay, thank you very much again. You have a great weekend.
Yep.
Thank you. Got so fucking lucky right now. Oh my god, he gave me a warning. He gave me a warning. Good guy, Canadian cop gives me a warning. Woof! Wow! I thought he came back with the paper, and I'm like, shit, this is a fine. I'm like, I'm screwed. Gotta pay 110 bucks, or ever how much. What more can I do? Just be a nice dude, you know, give my insurance, give my paperwork, just be super respectful. Oh, got away with a warning. Oh, good old Canadian cops. If I was in the States, for sure, I think like I'd be punished for my sins. But see guys, the best thing to do, if you get pulled over by police, you know what, don't fret, be super respectful, you know, just say, like, see how I spoke to him? I'm like, hello officer, I had my hands on the steering wheel. I asked him, like, if I can go get my insurance documents, you know, just to be safe. I know this is not America where they're gonna shoot me for freaking putting my hand somewhere, but it's just nice for them, so they feel like, you know, they have authority and power, which they do. So you're kind of, you know, reiterating that to them, making them feel good. So gave them everything, you know, all my stuff sorted, all my paperwork, my insurance, my driver's license, all that jazz. So it's not a big deal, but just going that extra way to be super respectful to the cop and like giving all the documents super easily and making his job super easy, like I think that is what saved me from getting a fine. If I was like a douchebag, like oh blah blah blah, then I would have got a ticket for sure. So, whew, being a clutch, nice guy worked out for once, and it doesn't always work out where you're a nice guy. All right, guys. So now that I didn't get that ticket, I can afford this ice cream. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.